Yes guys, welcome back to a new vlog, and today I am here at Ferrari because today is the test drive of the brand new Ferrari 296 GTB. And yeah, I think I'm just going to do a quick walk around for you guys and get a few videos of it driving past, and yeah, just get a good sense of what this car is like. Not that I'm going to drive it or anything like that, but yeah, just exterior stuff. So yeah, the front I'm not too sure on. It looks a bit awkward, but from the back it looks quite good, especially this detail over here, which is from the 250 LM, or inspiration from the 250 LM, which is quite nice. The back, this 3/4 angle is what I like most about the car. It does look quite good, and also the center style exhaust right over there. So yeah, this is a hybrid V6, first one in a long while for Ferrari. I think since the Dino. They're probably going to start it up in electric mode now, because that's what they've been doing. I have already taken a few videos of this car driving past, which you guys will see just now. But yeah, quite undecided on the car, on the design, but yeah, it'll probably change in the future. This is just a first look really. Yeah, you can hear there's no sound, so he's in electric mode at the moment. And this also, funny enough, has a wing that comes up there like the LaFerrari wing does. And off he goes. As quiet as can be. So just some quick stats as we watch it roll past again. It has around 830 horsepower and 600 newton meters of torque, which is actually quite a lot. And that's the combined power of the engine and the hybrid assistance, and it is rear-wheel drive, so I'm sure that is quite a fun car to drive. It must be said that it does look so much better on the road in person than it does in pictures, especially from the rear. Much better. Not to say I'm a fan, but center exhaust as well. You can hear that V6 burbling. Seems like there's a lot happening at Ferrari. This is a delivery taking place of the F8 Spider, looking very good. Looks like the 296 is going on another test drive. Yeah, and that sounded like it was in electric mode, just pure silence. Get the combo, get the combo. And there goes the F8. I'm sure the owner's going to enjoy it. Oh, you can't see the 296, wait for it. There we go. V12 sounds so good. Let's see, Ferrari extremely busy today. Hey! I just saw he was driving. Oh boy. Looks like someone else coming in for it. Go for a test drive with the 296. Ooh, some burbles there on the downshift. It is currently 6:30 in the morning. And I'm here at the V&A. There's Ferrari down there because I'm gonna help Simon Lakov with a photo shoot with the 296. So I thought I would add this in the vlog as well. And she's awake. That thing sounds so good actually. Just close it. Signal Hill now. Yes. Beautiful morning, just waiting for the sun to rise here in Cape Town. Yeah, so this is happening. Oh, I really appreciate this, dude.
Sweet, man.
Oh, this will be quite interesting, I think. Yes. Mr. Simon Lakoff there, doing what he does best. Yes, this really pulls you back. Wow. You also got this display over there. So cool. Jeez. This thing really fools, man. I mean, 830 horsepower and 600 newton meters of torque is no joke, I'm sure.
770 newton meters.
770? Oh, I thought it was 600. Jeez. Okay, well, that's a bit more than more than I thought. Turbo there. A turbo spool. It's actually so cool. Jeez. And I understand why they call it the baby V12. when it gets up to the revs, it actually sounds
shouts so nice.
Screams a little bit.
Race mode, qualifying, and manual. It's the only way to go.
That's actually mesmerizing. Yo.
You just got the best spool that I've ever had in this car.
Yeah, that was actually quite loud there. As well, eh?
Such a beautiful.
Too easy. It's too easy.
Such a beautiful.
I definitely understand this car a lot more now. That's for sure.
No, now it makes a lot more sense.
Yeah, no,
People
definitely.
first, when they heard about the car, they thought, oh my word, it's gonna be this mad or this sad, more sad than mad. It's gonna be this soft, elegant Ferrari that's just trying to be something that it's not, but it's actually true to what it is. It's a V6.
Yeah, no, for sure. Definitely does wonders, this thing.
It's a V6 twin turbo hybrid. That's exactly what you want.
Yeah, no, for sure. No, I really appreciate this, dude. That was awesome. That was really awesome.
It's a pleasure.
Oh, well, that was quite something. Jesus. Oh, the door doesn't close. There we go. Wow. And that's that, gents. That was quite a fun morning. Oh, that's that, gents. I think I'm gonna end the vlog here. That was pretty cool. Yeah, check you on the next one. Cheers. So here's just a bit of extra content for you. Here's the 296 GTB in Camps Bay. Looking quite good, actually. Just off the bat of shooting it this morning. And then there's this AMG GT Black Series. I mean, I had to add this for you guys. Are you mad? Are you crazy, guys? This is next level. This combo is pretty insane. But yeah, okay, cheers guys, for real.